And this is the IceBox. As I said, I already own one, and I was really impressed with the quality of this product. And so let's open it, and I'll show you what's included. And one of the things that happened to me is the exact same thing. Like, this box is extremely tight, and it's really impossible to take this thing out without doing what I just did. I think what they do is they wrap this thing, and with my other one I was super careful and I opened from here with this knife. I might do the same thing here because there is no other way. And guys, when you see the populated one, you see what I'm talking about. And thank you so much for the tier 1, Jay. Appreciate it. You know what? Since I already have one, I'm gonna go to town here and I'm gonna just tear it apart. It's not like I'm gonna keep this one since I already have one. All right, so let me tell you what comes in this package because this is pretty cool. So we have the box itself, and it has this acrylic lid that you see here. Of course, we need to peel this, and then you can open it. It comes with bump-ons that we're gonna put on. This is you can use this to, if you're traveling and you have your caps on here, you use this as something so that the caps don't move all over the place. So that's what it is. You have the lid, and then you have some feet if you want to display your case. And not only that, but they also have rubber feet for those feet or supports, or in lack of a better name. So here we put one on. Here we put the other one on. And also it comes with this pair of rubber bands that you can use to close them. So basically you put one here and one here. And if you're, again, going to transport your precious caps, you can do that on a protected fashion. Yeah, and the idea is I transfer a lot of stuff that is on my own 3D printed here. Hey, Kijin, how are you? Man, it's really hard to peel this. There we go. So let me bring this closer to here so you guys can. There we go. The next one I'll try to be a little more gentle. Sujo is here. How are you, Sujo? Long time no see, my friend. Let's do the thing again. I'll try to be a little more gentle now. That was not very pleasant. There we go. So hopefully that was a little bit satisfactory for someone. I don't know who. So that's how it looks with the lid on. Let's put on some bump-ons. Hey, and Victor Pre is here. Hello, Victor. So another nice thing is, since those two caps that I received has the same theme, we can stick them together here somehow, and then we can move my caps over here. So the idea here is you can put a lid here, and then, yeah, I shouldn't have put them yet, but at the bottom of the case, can you see there's a little cutout there for the feet? So basically you stick the feet there like so. And then of course my caps went all over the place, but You get the idea, right? It's a, it can use it for display like that. So let me just go fix those two caps. And this thing isn't as impressive when it's empty, but I'm gonna bring the other one that I have that is populated, and you guys will see how pretty this thing looks with the caps on. Yeah, sometimes I have a little bit of a hard time to close them, but I think, there we go. But let me bring the one that is populated. And since I am leaving this exposed, it's a little bit dirtier, but check this out. Look at how amazing this is when populated. Isn't it amazing the way it looks when it's populated? So before we get into the rest of the stuff, let's populate some more. So yeah. Let me get some of my 3D printed ones that we can transfer over. So we could get stuff from here. All right, you know what I'll do? I'll try to get the ones from each of the boxes that I have that I like the most and transfer them over. Let's see. This is a pretty nice case. I think it's the nicest case that I have because it's large. Yeah, and we have those rubber bands that I'm not going to use right now. So if you get an opportunity, if you're into Artisans and you get an opportunity to get one of those cases, I say you take it because they are really awesome.